Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our Bo Kata, Shushi-no-Kon-Sho. In this tutorial, we'll be working together with the second merit of a good pattern, which is power. Everything that we're doing, we are doing with enough power to make it effective, whether it's a block or a strike. Often, power is a matter of moving quickly. I get power from acceleration. If I'm striking with the right hand end of the bow here, yoko uchi toward the head. The first strike had more power simply because it was moving faster than the second. However, the bow can be used to create power in other ways, as well as a striking and blocking implement. This is also a big lever, so it can be used in things like osae uke, the leg pin, as a slow but powerful leverage technique. I'm just pushing against somebody's leg, buckling it, to push them off balance. We see both those sorts of power in our pattern Shushi-no-Kon-Sho. And it's important to understand where the fast acceleration changes to the pressing leverage techniques that move more slowly. All right, let's take this together. Shushi-no-Kon-Sho, my count, working with the second merit, power. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is Shushi-no-Kon-Sho, working with the second merit of a good pattern, power.